Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Samsung VCC885BH36/XEV vacuum cleaner, a powerful cleaning solution designed to make everyday household maintenance easier and more efficient. At first glance, the vacuum cleaner features a modern and practical design. Its compact canister construction allows for comfortable movement around the home while maintaining strong cleaning performance. One of the key highlights of this model is its dust container system. Unlike traditional vacuum cleaners that rely on disposable bags, this unit uses a reusable dust collection container, making maintenance simpler and reducing ongoing costs. When it comes to cleaning performance, powerful suction is one of the most important factors, and this Samsung model is designed to handle a variety of surfaces. From carpets and rugs to hardwood floors and tiles, it aims to collect dust, debris, and everyday dirt effectively. Another benefit is versatility. The vacuum can be used throughout different rooms of the house and is suitable for both routine cleaning and more demanding tasks. The long hose and convenient design help users reach furniture, corners, and difficult areas without much effort. Filtration is another important aspect. A well-designed filtration system helps capture fine dust particles and contributes to a cleaner indoor environment. This can be especially valuable for households focused on maintaining cleanliness and comfort. The controls are intuitive, and the overall user experience feels straightforward. Emptying the dust container is quick and simple, helping reduce the hassle often associated with vacuum maintenance. Overall, the Samsung VCC885BH36/XEV combines strong suction power, practical dust collection technology, and user-friendly operation in a reliable home cleaning package. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know what vacuum cleaner you're currently using. See you in the next video.